So yeah, I've got the toolbox off of the right side here. As you can see, it gives me a little better access so I can get in here and clean the back of the transmission case and the swing arm pivot. I'm also going to be taking off this part of the fender extension, and on the other side I'm going to take this toolbox off and the battery box off. By the time I do that, of course, the coil will come with the fender extension. It will open up this whole area under here for cleaning and access. I'm also going to pull the chain guard off. Again, it's like the fenders. It's in really good shape. It just needs to be cleaned. But quite honestly, I don't like the look of it without the toolboxes. I like the bobber style. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be remounting the toolboxes. I think they add something. They don't take away. So, and I also, while I was tinkering, I polished up the pipe, the front pipe, as much as I could on the bike. And it actually came quite clean. I was surprised. It had a lot of, it looked like heavy rust, but it was only surface. And it polished up quite nicely. I'll polish it up some more. I'm not going to re-chrome it. If anything, I might wrap it with some of that exhaust tape. But I like the look of a bare pipe, and I really like the open pipe without a silencer on the end. It really adds to the bobber look. So yeah, there's the progress as of this morning.